In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code online and add it to your Photoshop project. We'll start by generating a clean, scannable QR code using a free website, then bring it into Photoshop so you can place and size it perfectly in your design. Begin by opening any reputable free QR code generator in your web browser. The interface is usually straightforward. You'll see a field where you can enter the content you want the code to store. Type or paste the text, URL, or other information you need. If you're linking to a web page, shorter links often produce simpler codes that scan more reliably, so consider using a shortened or concise URL if possible. Most generators offer customization options, but for maximum readability, stick with a high contrast black and white design and keep the quiet zone, the blank space around the code, intact. Once your QR code looks good in the preview, download it as a PNG or JPG. PNG is generally the better choice because it preserves crisp edges and supports transparency if the generator provides it. If there's an option to choose size or resolution, pick a larger size to keep it sharp when you scale in Photoshop. Save the file somewhere easy to find and give it a clear name so you can locate it quickly. Now open Photoshop. If you already have your working document open, maybe a poster, flyer, or packaging layout, you're ready to bring in the code. Go to File, then Open, and select the QR code image you just downloaded. It will open in a separate document window. Copy the QR code by selecting All and copying, then switch back to your main project and paste. This places the code on a new layer, letting you move it without affecting other elements. If you prefer, you can also drag the layer from the QR document into your project tab and drop it onto the canvas. The result is the same. To resize and position the code, use Free Transform by pressing Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac. Drag a corner handle to scale the code and hold Shift if you want to maintain its proportions. Keep an eye on the quiet zone. Don't crop it or push text too close, as that can reduce scan reliability. Avoid stretching the code out of shape. Scaling uniformly helps keep it readable. Place it where it's easy to see and scan, with enough contrast against the background. When you're satisfied, press Enter or Return to apply the transformation. And that's it. Your QR code is generated, placed, and perfectly sized in Photoshop, ready to use in your design.